Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Nickel and Dining. If you are here for the first time, welcome. If you are returning, welcome as also. I wanted to come on with you guys with this collaboration from Catherine over at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. She has a Christmas 4-week series collaboration, and for the first week we had to do either a DIY, a haul of your choice, or decorate a space. I chose to do these DIY mini Christmas trees. The first item you are going to need is your glue gun, a high temperature glue gun, some wire cutters, some scissors, some floral wire, some floral foam, the dry kind, and any container that you wish to use. I chose this mini crate from Walmart for $3.47 from the craft department, you guys. Also, I use these branches off of my old Christmas tree, you guys. Save those branches when you buy yourself a new tree. You can do many DIYs, and I am going to be sharing a few DIYs using my branches from my old tree on my channel, so stick around and if you want to see more. First thing I'm doing is measuring out my floral foam. You don't want it to be the total length of the crate or container that you're using, but just enough to make it, give it some stability, you guys. So here I am just cutting it with my scissors that I had on hand. And next I'm going to use my glue gun, and you need a generous amount of glue. Make sure you get all around your corners and your edges, and it's better with a very hot glue gun. Next thing I'm going to do is positioning my tree branches here and just sticking them down in the floral foam as far as I can get them. And then I'm going in with a generous amount of glue, filling in the holes to make it stable. Now I'm just coming in with my other. I decided to use 2 of the branches to make it a little more fuller, but I really wanted to kind of give it also a little bit of a pencil tree look as well. You can use more of your branches as you want to, how full you want, depending on how full you want your trees to be. Next, I'm just clipping off some of the bottom branches off, just to kind of use to cover up my foam. Now if you have some old garland, you are welcome to just use that, but I just use the bottom of my branch. Here I am taking my floral wire and securing both of the branches together. You guys, you want to use as much as you can to make the 2 branches secure together, so they can coincide into one tree. I started in the middle first, and then I worked my way down and then my way back up the tree. Also, I double wrap the floral wire to make it stronger. Okay, now I'm just going in with my cut off branches and just covering up the floral foam, and also wrapping it around to secure the trees a little more. And here is the finished trees, you guys. They came out super cute, very inexpensive. And here they are with some simple decorations. Now, I really didn't take the time to really decorate them because I'm still kind of deciding on what I want and where I'm going to put them. But I thought, just for example, I'll just throw these on very quickly with some fairy lights, you guys. The possibilities are so endless of these trees. I plan on probably redecorating them and putting them in my entryway. But I really truly want to thank Catherine over at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro for allowing me to join this open collaboration. I really appreciate it. If you like what you see, you guys, go out and check some more of my videos out and like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And have a blessed weekend. Bye.